Hi guys, it's your girl Abby. Today for me it's for tonight. Tonight, well, I'll just say today, whatever. Today, we are going to be watching some cat videos. Some really, really funny ones that I found on the YouTubes. I hope, and let's just jump in. Let's get started. Okay, this one's not really funny because, or kinda, but not really, it's not funny. Is she hurting him? Or she? Or or it? Um, we don't know. That's kind of disturbing when you have to think in your mind, is she hurting the cat or not? To get that sound to come out, but, well, let's keep on watching. No. True story. When I had a cat, that cat did this. Oh my god, that cat is playing football with a child. Crazy! Oh my god. He's like, bring your hand a little more closer. I'll show you what I can do with your hand. Huh? This freaking cat is like, you're gonna give me a bath? How about not? And does this. Okay? Does this.
It just turned off the water.
Do you like babies? I don't know if the cat likes babies. We'll see. No, the cat didn't like the baby.
Bear. You come back here, Bear. Oh, Kiki, you're not supposed to.
Severe. The nighttime sniffling sneezing. I always look forward to what's next.
He did it.
Ninja.
Stay still. Stay still, Lloyd.
Where it was. Just 1 week.
Lloyd, what are you doing?
That cat's like, I'm not crazy. I'm just playful.
allergies. This is allergies, Maxi.
That cat's like, what's your problem? Why did you do that? Like, that's like messed up human. You're my messed up owner. Now that's just mean.
Toddling, honey.
Hey guys, did you know you can mop with a cat? Just use a taser. Ha 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 ha. Just kidding.
Let's go.
Oh, hi. If you got Elma, you're welcome to share my toilet.
Oh my gosh, guys. That cat is a magician. It just disappeared. Right in front of you.
What'd you say, Oreo? I can't hear ya.
Oh. What are you gonna do now?
Oh, little baby, can I touch you?
Someday this is going to end really bad.
Over the years, it's received thousands of accolades. Domino's, we make your pizza by hand with fresh dough and 2 layers of cheese.
I think of myself as a craftsman. These are my tools.
Order a Domino's 2-topping pan pizza for just $7.99.
Ah, Stanley!
So both of you have something in common. You have something that this industry looks at as, oh, that's...
Spin it. Okay.
Left foot on yellow. Left foot in the air. Left hand on red.
Yay! She's just sitting there. What are you doing?
What he celebrated was the Compromise of 1850, which was a series of bills. One small bill.
Aww. There you go.
Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see me in the next video. Love you guys so much. Bye.